Mama.
Where's the mama?
Mm-hmm.
This is Princess and Angel and Sugar. We're Angel, look at Mama. Angel, over here.
Looking at the fireman. Fireman got a dog? Dog?
Angel. There you go. That's Angel and Sugar and Princess. And we're at Santa Barbara at the beach. Angel, what are you looking at? You looking over there? There's a perfectly good ocean over here.
Oh, there's a big dog coming.
Oh.
Trying to act an idiot.
You are a little dog. Enjoy the ocean. There they are, the little Angel and the little Sugar.
Yes.
Just being little ladies. They're so delicate and like little petunias. Just waiting for another dog to walk by. Sometimes you just need to bark, don't you, honeys?
I'm a dog.
So peaceful and serene until a dog walks by, and then it's not. And I was at the ocean too. This is Santa Barbara, and we're just having a lovely time. We may be home no, not tomorrow, the next day. Because tonight we'll probably stay in Orange County because it's just too much to try and get home in one day. We just can't pull that off. And I have on my lovely Christmas outfit again today. Okay, and then hit the pause button.